Okay, so last night we did us a beer can chicken and put a nice rub on it inside and out underneath the skin. And put it on your Weber for a good hour, 400 degrees. Used a Henry Weinhardt's beer in the middle, up its butt, so to speak. And turned out pretty good. So this morning, hungry, what am I going to do? Well, make me a breakfast sandwich. And I got me some fried up bacon I already did. Some fried up bacon. And I just got done frying me up. Took that chicken in there. And I just sauteed up me some onions. Fried me up an egg real quick. Got me a couple slices of ham in there. And got me some of this chicken in there. Let's do it. I already put some mayo on my bread. Nice heavy mayo on your bread. Well, first thing I'm going to do, put my nice fried egg on there. Beautiful, beautiful. A little bit of thin sliced cheese in the middle of that. Throw on a couple slices of bacon. Alright, then I got my sauteed onions. I like to put them right on top of my meat products, right on top of my bacon like that. And then I got me some fried ham. Nice, nice, nice. And just a little more cheese. And I got me, I just put it on there just for a couple minutes. It's already pre-cooked beer can chicken last night. Just put it in there with the sauteed onions. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. And then I like a little bit of raw onion on there too. Don't have to just be sauteed onions, even though I like them. Another couple slices of bacon. Another thing of cheese. And just for a topping. Oh yeah, we had just a little bit of leftover brown gravy. Put a little flavor in there. Right on top of that cheese. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Just a little. Oh, you can almost spread that on your bread if you wanted to. Looks so good. I like putting a little bit of mustard on my mayoed sliced bread. And that is what you call a sandwich right there. Look at this here. Ooh. Let's take a little shot of that before I cover it up. Look at that sandwich right there. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Ooh. Oh yeah. That is what you call a breakfast sandwich. Let's check it out. That is how you make a breakfast sandwich right there. Leftover beer can chicken, fried bacon, fried chicken, sauteed onions, a little bit of ham, some cheese. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord.